What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. My name is Jess if you're new here. This is just going to be a Sunday in my life. I just got ready. I did a quick little 10-minute elliptical workout this morning. I'm gonna have some breakfast first and then I'll take you guys along the rest of my day. First fall activity of the year. You excited for some apple picking?
I am, yeah.
Even though it's not quite fall yet, it feels like a fall. Honestly, right now it's cloudy and it's actually in the 70s. Surprisingly, it's not 80 or 90 degrees and hot. Got tomatoes here that you can pick. They have some sunflowers here. This is a great photo spot. This is for the Gala apples taste test review.
Sweet. Tastes good.
Yay! I've got plenty of them. I wish I could juggle. I don't understand how you do it. These trees are loaded. They got tons of apples. The Rhode Island green. It says it's good for tart baking, taste test and review.
It's very tart.
I can tell by your face. Yeah, they're so little.
These are like bite size. It's sweet and tart.
There are a lot of varieties of apples here, so if you guys want to come to this farm, I think for the next couple weeks, maybe even the next month or so, they're doing this apple picking, and then eventually they'll have pumpkins as well. This is our lunch. Ooh. Whoa! Just sampled and then purchased this pancake mix. They're local to New Jersey. It's really good. We got some fresh and hot apple cider donuts and they smell incredible. Ooh, yeah, I can tell they're really good because they've got that nice like crisp to it. We just got home from the farm. It was their opening day, so it wasn't too crowded. They still had a nice selection of apples to pick from. It was just really nice getting into the kickoff of some fall activities. So now we're back at his house and I just changed into some shorts because it's actually pretty hot out right now and I was wearing jeans. I just got a few packages that are for our upcoming trip to Europe. Really excited for that. We're going to a few different spots. I just ordered a pair of Birkenstock dupes. I got some space bags for luggage and then some travel bottles. We're just gonna be using carry-on, so it's definitely gonna be a squeeze, but I got just a couple things to help with that. I'll try on the shoes. I feel like they definitely look like Birkenstocks. My Yari sandal. They're from the brand Cushionaire. They were about $30 on Amazon. I got my true size, which is an 8, and I got these in the color stone. Very much resembles the Mayari sandal from Birkenstock. So I'm gonna try them on now and see what I think. I'm very torn about these Cushionaire sandals. I was doing some research and I did see that Birks have like very stiff soles. They're very stiff, like they do not bend at all. I'm sure the actual Birks are better, but I think overall Birks or the dupe are gonna have a stiff sole. I decided that I'm just gonna return them because I really don't love them. I think they had so much potential and they were kind of cute. Now I'm gonna open the other stuff that I got. The other stuff I got are just these storage bags, vacuum seal bags. So I'm just gonna put my clothes in here, seal them up, squeeze all the air out, and that'll help compact my clothes more in the suitcase. And then just these squeeze tubes. Came with these smaller ones as well. Came with labels too. Also yesterday I picked up from Vera Bradley, surprisingly, I got the recycled cotton small backpack. It's about 12-ish inches tall, but it's great. It has all these compartments. It's got adjustable straps. So this is what I'm going to be using as my personal item for all of our travels throughout Europe. I really like the backpack. Happy I found this. I spent $59.14 on it because I got 25% off and then another 15% off. Feels like a really good quality bag. So if you guys are looking for just a small backpack for everyday use, for traveling as well, I would recommend this based off of my first impression at least. I'm going to use it and see how I like it on the trip. We just ate dinner and I'm making apple crisp. I found a recipe that actually looks very good from thechunkychef.com. Just sliced up and peeled 6 apples, which seems like a lot, but I keep eating them and cutting them because they're so good. How's the apple crisp?
Very good.
It's really good, yeah. Good recipe. Thechunkychef.com. I'm gonna have a link to that recipe that I followed in the description box. I'm gonna end off this little Sunday in my life. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all in the next video.